Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is speaking as a dragon today. See, what if something that looks gentle could one day speak with a dangerous voice? In Revelation 13:11, the Bible describes a power that looks like a lamb but speaks as a dragon. And in Revelation 12:9 tells us that the dragon represents Satan, the deceiver. Friends, America began as a refuge from religious oppression. See, the founders rejected a state church and protected freedom of conscience. See, that was lamb-like. However, prophecy says the danger comes not in how a nation begins, but in how it speaks. See, friends, a nation speaks through its laws. See, today we hear calls for a uniform day of rest. It sounds moral, doesn't it? It sounds healing. But the Bible asks a sharper question. Which day did God sanctify? See, from the beginning, God rested on the seventh day. He blessed it and he set it apart. Genesis 2:1-3. He wrote it into his law, which is found in Exodus 28-11. See, friends, Jesus didn't erase the law. He magnified it. And you can read this from the New Testament in Matthew chapter 5:17. See, in the book of Revelation, it says the final conflict is about worship, not sincerity. See, God's people are described as those who keep the commandments of God and the faith of Jesus. Revelation 14:12. See, friends, this isn't about fear. It's about discernment. See, the lamb never forces. The dragon always does. So listen carefully, not to the loudest voice, but to God's word. Because in the end, liberty survives only where conscience remains free. God bless.